Standing abs twist. Stand tall, bring your hands to your chest, twist your body left and right to work your side abs. Wood choppers. Stand with your feet apart. Hold your hands like you're holding an axe, swinging down from one side to another like chopping wood. High plank. Get into a push-up position with arms straight. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Mountain climbers. In a plank position, bring one knee to your chest, then switch fast like running in place. Plank shoulder tap. From a plank position like doing a push-up, tap your left shoulder with your right hand, then switch. Try not to switch your body. Bear plank. Go on all fours, hands and knees, then lift your knees just a little off the ground. Keep your back flat like a table. Bird dog. On hands and knees, stretch your right arm and leg at the same time. Hold, then switch. Hollowed body hold. Lie on your back, arms and legs straight. Lift your shoulders and legs a bit off the ground. Keep your back flat. Hold still like a banana shape. Leg raise. Lie flat on your back, arms by your side. Lift your legs straight up, then slowly bring them down without touching the floor. Raise leg circle. Lie on your back, legs straight up, make slow, big circles with your legs. Keep your core tight. Reverse crunches. Lie on your back, knees bent, bring your knees to your chest and lift your hips off the ground. Russian twist. Sit with your feet off the ground. Lean back a little, then twist your upper body left and right. Tap the floor on each side. Side crunches. Lie on your side, knees bent, lift your upper body to the side, squeezing your side abs. An even plank. Do a plank with one hand on a higher surface like a book. Keep your body straight. V-sit. Sit on the floor, lean back a little and lift your legs. Make a V shape with your body. Keep your balance and hold. Broad jumps. Squat down, swinging your arms, then jump forward as far as you can and land softly on your feet. High knees. Run in a place when lifting your knees high toward your chest. Jumping jacks. Jump with legs and arms out, then back in, like making a star shape. Jumping lunges. Start in a lunge, then jump and switch legs in the air. Land in a new lunge. Pogo jumps. Small, fast jumps on your toes. Keep legs straight and bounce up and down. Single leg line hoops. Stand on one foot and hop side to side over an imaginary line. Skater jump. Jump side to the side like a speed skater. Land on one leg each time. Squat jumps. Do a squat, then jump as high as you can. Land softly and squat again. Squat jumps with rotation. Squat down, jump up, turn your body, and land in a squat facing the other way. Tuck jumps. Jump up and bring your knees to your chest. Land softly.